Welcome, Internet. Are you ready for this? Today on Bread to Loaf, we are doing a quick video on how to change an ambient air temperature sensor mounted at the front of your vehicle. And the reason for the brevity of this video is it's like 16 degrees outside. Today, the vehicle we're working on is going to be this 1988 Buick Electra Park Avenue. She's a beaut. And I recently just took a long road trip, and the problem I've been having is my heater control unit, my climate control unit right here, runs off the exterior temperature to regulate the inside temperature. Now, I've noticed that my external temperature gauge has been malfunctioning and reading as low as -36 and as high as like 60 degrees when the outside temperature is around 15 to 20. Now obviously this is a problem because the climate control unit uses the outside air temperature to regulate the inside. And on this long trip I took, it was getting super cold and super hot. And I don't know about you, but I like not being a human popsicle and being cooked alive at the same time. So this is what it looks like lit up. And we have an exterior temperature button right here. Right now it says 27. Which is a little high. Sometimes this orange LED will flash right here, and that means there's no signal coming from the ambient air temperature sensor, which is wrong because it's hooked up, so we know it's bad. So in order to fix it, we are going to be using new old stock parts. Now new old stock, or NOS, basically means that this part was manufactured for the car when the car was modern, and it's just been sitting on the shelf of a warehouse for about 20 to 30 years, so it's brand new but old. This is what it looks like new out of the box. Got a little resistor in there to gauge the temperature with its wire connection. And this guy was manufactured June 20th, 1990. Alright, it's freaking cold. Let's begin. Okay, first thing to do is locate the 6 screws. They are Phillips head, and they're in these locations. Alright, 6 screws are out. Just lift it away like this. Alright, grill is off. Let's get a closer look. Oh, and that's why. We have broken wire right here. Snapped off as soon as I touched it. Well, this is going to be no good, so let's remove it. Okay, looks like we have a hard to reach, super awesome game, bolt right here. So we're going to go ahead and remove that with a box end wrench. And there you go. That looks bad. Okay, well, there's the old one. And anytime you change out new parts, compare it to the new one, which I have right here, and see if they look the same. And they pretty much do. So we're going to go ahead and swap them out. I noticed these bolt and washers are looking pretty crusty, so we're going to wire wheel them. Safety second. And much better. Okay, for this next part, I'm going to be cutting this off and soldering it into the existing system. And I'm not going to show you that because there are plenty of other videos out there showing you how to do this. So we're going to cut to it soldered. Okay, I just soldered the 2 wires together, and I have indeed confirmed that the readout now displays the correct temperature in the cabin. So let's go ahead and shrink these bad boys. Okay, next step is to redo the loom. Okay, she is reloomed, and now we're going to put the bolt back in. Okay, she's properly installed. Now all we have to do is put the grill back on. Okay, and there you have it. Grill's back on. Okay, just to confirm that we in fact did it, let's hop inside the car. And looks like we're good. If you like how-to videos like this, hit that subscribe button, smash like, and stay tuned for more content coming your way.